What is up, guys? It is Mr. Sports Freak 56 coming at you with a new nature video. We are getting a ton of snow here in Missouri near the city of St. Louis. It is absolutely incredible how much snow we are getting. Because yesterday it was 45 degrees. So guys, if you live in an area that is getting a ton of snow, and most likely you do if you're watching this video, you know, make smart decisions, drive safe, drive slow, you know, be careful. Don't go out unless you absolutely have to. Our roads aren't done, so hopefully yours are. And we're supposed to get 11 inches of snow is what they're calling for. Originally it was 6, now it's 11. So, absolutely incredible. I've only seen snow like this twice in my entire life. And I am 23 years old. So, that's 2 decades. 2 times snow like this. So, like I said, guys, be careful. I'll probably do an update video of this, showing you how much snow we totally get all together and what it all looks like. So, thanks for watching. What is up, guys? It is Mr. Sports Freak 56 coming at you with my update video of the snow. So, as you can tell, it is still snowing, and it has really come down. This is the front of our area, and if the tree is any indication of how high it is, there you are. We'll step out in the yard and look how deep it is. There's the ruler. And that measures to about 9 inches of snow. So, we're really getting the snow here. And if that gives you any indication, that's my car with the snow. So it is absolutely incredible. And then there's my foot. So like I said, guys, if you're in an area that's getting affected by snow, make smart decisions. Don't drive unless you absolutely have to and it's an emergency. Drive extremely slow. Don't try to drive through snow drifts, because you'll either get stuck or hurt yourself. So, like I said, guys, stay safe, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll probably do one last